Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add trending effects to your TikTok videos using CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up CapCut. Once you've opened up CapCut, you'll see at the bottom of the page here, we've got Edit Templates Library Me. Go ahead and click on Templates. You'll be able to find trending effects or trending effects inside templates here. So if we go ahead and click on for TikTok here, some of these effects are pro version of CapCut, so you need a pro subscription. I will leave a link in the video below if you're interested in the free 7-day pro subscription trial. Now from here, just go ahead and check out all the different trending effects, and you can see trending by the amount of edits here. So you got a photo collage here we've got in the end. So if you want to have a look at any of these effects, simply click onto it and you'll notice the pro. So you won't be able to use pro unless you have a pro subscription, so they'll let you know in the corner of the template. So if we want to go in the end here, we can have a look at this like so. We can use this template if we like. So if I want to use this, I want to click on use template. And now I'm going to pick a video for it. So say, for example, I'm going to use this video and then click next. So as you can see, this video has been transformed by this template. So yeah, these templates are good to use for TikTok. And it just saves a lot of time. If you try and create some of these templates yourself, you're going to save yourself hours by just coming here and just choosing a template like so. But yeah, when you do find a template, I'll just choose another one here. I'm going to click this template. Oh, this is a photo. So you're going to find ones that is videos. So yeah, I'll go back to this one. I'll use template. I'll choose that video again, click next. And if you like it, simply click on export and then choose resolution. So at the moment it's 180p. I'm going to make this larger if I can. Yep, I can. So I'm going to click on 2K 4K and click done. And now I'm going to click on export without watermark. And now I can share this directly to TikTok. Let's open it up. Let's pause the video. I don't want to get copyrighted. Then from here, I'm going to put in the description, hashtags and all that stuff and click post.